The table shows the distance in miles 4 students walk to school. So you have your table called Walking to School. On the left side, you have 4 students, Alberto, Darnell, Haley, and Nicole. And on the right side, you have distance in miles. Now, these are fractions. We have 2 over 3, which is 2/3. We have 1 over 4, which is 1/4. We have 2 over 4, which is a fraction that can be simplified. And we have 4 over 6, which is also a fraction that can be simplified. Which students walk an equal distance to school? Well, I mentioned that Haley and Nicole have fractions that can be simplified. How do I know that? Well, 2 and 4, you can divide them both by 2 because they're even numbers. So if you divide 2 by 2, and if you divide 4 by 2, this fraction becomes 1 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so you get 1/2. So Haley is actually 1/2. What about Nicole? I said you can simplify that one too. Well, 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2 because, again, they're even numbers. So divide u by 2 and divide u by 2, both the numerator and the denominator. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so Nicole can be written as 2 over 3. And then you're like, well, wait a minute. You know who else is 2 over 3? Alberto is 2 over 3. So Alberto and Nicole walked the equal distance to school. So Alberto and Nicole, A, is going to be our answer.